Okay, well, thanks so much for agreeing to do this today. Can you see me okay if I'm here? I might need to move that just a bit. Can you see me okay?
Brilliant, yeah.
Okay. So we're doing this because we're in lockdown. You're in England, I'm in France, and you know we miss seeing each other. We miss experiencing our food together and things like that. So thank you for sharing your recipe with me, and I'm going to replicate one of your favourite dishes, which I've never tried it, but by all accounts I've heard it's a fabulous recipe. And in particular, how is it really important for you?
Well, for me, I mean, as you know, I'm actually going through treatment for cancer at the moment, and I was worried initially that they would stop the treatment because clearly that's a life-saving treatment on its own. I mean, I'm really blessed to be where we are, but long story cut short, the treatment I have means that my immune system's even lower, so it's even more important for me not to go out or have people coming in, and it really brings home, so it's on the days that I feel really good, cooking is something that I really love doing. It's kind of part of our culture, our Irish culture. We want to feed everybody, and it's almost taken on another importance, to me. And so it's kind of I on the days that I might not be able to do as much as I like, if I can cook a meal or cook a little dish, it makes me feel better, and it's about you feeding somebody, taking care of somebody, and I think we all have to find our way, don't we, through this kind of time at the moment, and
Yeah, we do.
look after ourselves and be safe.
Yeah. Continue to stay well and stay safe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, and all of you as well.
Yeah. So, for those of you, because I can see Patsy, but for those of you who can't, this is my very, very dear friend, Patsy. And I'm recording on my laptop, Patsy. So while we can see each other, other people couldn't. So I wanted them to see your beautiful face. So.
Oh, thank you. Oh, bless you.
Right, so let's get started. So it's prawn. How do you pronounce it?
This is a real family favourite of ours. We call it prawn coquettes. I mean, it's something that's been around for years, so we call it prawn coquettes. It might be called something else, but that's what we call it. Yeah.
Okay, right. So what's my first step? Okay. Right, so I've got these, Patsy.
Okay, Kev, they're going to be too big. Have you got anything smaller?
I've got these.
Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. That's just the size you want.
Okay, because it's only me and Julian, rather than cooking for 4, I'm going to prep for 2.
Yeah, that's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Okay, so let me get rid of these out the way. Okay, so I've got my ramekins.
Okay.
Right, so first I've got to grease this, have I?
Absolutely. Tiny, tiny bit of butter, Kevin. Hardly anything, just to grease it.
Okay.
Just so it doesn't stick. But you don't need a lot of butter, because what you don't want is it to be runny.
Okay, rightio. So what I'll do is I'll cut just a corner of this off.
Perfect.
And then I can just grab a piece of butter from there and I can just run it around the ramekin to stop it sticking, isn't it? Yeah?
Excellent. That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely perfect.
Okay, so that's got loads of butter in it.
Brilliant.
So what's the next bit?
Okay, the next thing you're going to do is going to put a layer of prawns at the bottom of the ramekin dish.
Okay.
Now, some people just put a few prawns in. I put quite a few in just to get the taste there, but just a layer of prawns on each ramekin dish, at the bottom of each ramekin dish.
Okay, right. Yeah. So I've had frozen prawns and I've defrosted them and.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I always use frozen prawns. They're perfect. Yeah.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Excellent.
So frozen cooked prawns.
Yes,
yeah?
Absolutely.
Right.
Brilliant. So excellent.
Brilliant.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay, now what?
Now, what you want, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to have just put a teaspoonful of cream over the prawns. You don't need a lot of cream at all. So when you get your teaspoonful, get your teaspoonful of cream and just drizzle it over the prawns.
Okay, like this.
Perfect. Yeah, exactly that. That's it.
Okay, that's one.
Brilliant.
Okay.
That's great. And now what you're going to do is crack one egg in each of the ramekins.
Okay.
One egg in the ramekin.
You don't have to beat it, you just crack it over the top.
No, just crack it as it is, yeah. That's it. Perfect.
Okay.
Now, once you've done that,
Yeah.
you can, if you like, put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper on top of the egg.
Okay, yeah. Julian likes his salt.
Yeah, so I do as well, I must admit. And I know some people don't, but you know, it's to taste.
It's the taste, yeah. Well, I know I'll put a bit more because I know I like a bit of salt too.
Yeah.
So, and where's my pepper? So I've ground some pepper up here. So.
Brilliant. Excellent.
So, okay. I like my pepper, by the way, so I'm putting a bit more in.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
Now again, Kev, what you want to do is do what you did before, just a teaspoonful of cream, but just sprinkle it.
Just
Because
sprinkle
you
it.
don't want too much of this because otherwise it can end up being a bit runny. So you just want to sprinkle it over the top like that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And finally,
Yeah.
you top it with grated cheese.
Okay.
I tend to get as much grated cheese as I can in there.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm using Emmentaler because here in France it's really hard to get grated cheddar cheese, but this should do just fine.
You can use any grated, that's perfect, and you can use any grated cheese. Any type of cheese will be fine. That's good.
Okay. This is, you'll see loads of steam coming off of this. And let me, because it should be cold, shouldn't it?
It actually, do you know what? I do it cold, but it doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter. I've done it both ways, to be honest.
Okay.
You know, I put a little bit more cold in it. It doesn't matter really. You know.
Right. So all I do is place these into here.
Yeah. Perfect.
And then put that in the oven.
Put that in the oven for 40 minutes, 150 degrees. Just keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Because what you're looking for is the inside is solid. Or when I say solid, it's cooked, if you know what I mean. It's not runny.
Right.
Sometimes, and the cheese will go brown on the top. You know, and it can be different shades of brown, doesn't matter, but it's normally about 40 minutes. Some ovens might do it a bit like 30, and some might be a bit longer, but I think this will be about 40 minutes on that size ramekin, and it will be cooked then.
Okay, rightio. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven and then show people on the video. Hang on one sec. Okay, I'll give you a call back once they're done.
Okay, Kev, thanks ever so much.
Okay, take care. Love to you. Bye. Bye. So it's been 30 minutes, and they smell delicious. Just opened the oven and that came out. So I'm just going to get them out of the oven now. Okay.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So, okay. So, just going to take these out.
Yeah.
I'm going to take one out so you can see just what it looks like. Actually, what I'll do is I'll move the phone and do it that way so you can see, rather than me trying to. So, you see?
Kev, I'm just. Oh, that's it. Now, when you put the knife in, how does it feel?
Yeah, it's there's. Look at that.
That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well done.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Well, they're ready to eat. So.
Oh, yum yum.
So you say these are great for a starter, yeah, and that they're
great for a starter.
Yeah.
We our family, that's our favourite starter when we all get together. They are quite filling, but they're really tasty. But what we do as well is we make them up if we're having buffets or anything like that. I mean, Alan, I've got some in the oven now actually, but you can also use them. You can eat them when they're cold as well. They're just as tasty when they're cold.
Oh, are they?
They're, kind of, you can sometimes have them for breakfast if you want, but they're a great starter. I mean, we use them for starters, so but very versatile. And also, if people are allergic to seafood or they don't like it, they work really well with mushrooms as well. So
Oh wow! I'm going to try it with mushrooms another time.
Exactly.
They smell delicious. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try. Okay, while you're on the phone.
Oh, brilliant.
Okay, so I'm just going to eat just a tiny bit here.
Oh.
Well.
Quite hot.
Well, it's very hot, but.
Yeah, they are.
Oh man.
Oh, do you like them?
Oh.
Brilliant.
Oh, Patsy.
Oh. Yeah. They are, aren't they?
Man.
Oh,
they are fantastic.
Oh, yeah. And they're so easy to do. They are.
Yeah. Really easy, but wow.
Yeah. Oh, great. Really glad.
I now understand why all your family love this recipe.
Oh, bless you. Well, you enjoy them, Kev. You enjoy.
Yeah. Me and Julian are gonna eat these now. So, okay.
That's lovely. I'm really glad you like them.
Thank you so much for sharing this.
Very welcome.
Continue to stay well.
Oh, well, thank you.
And
you all continue to stay safe as well over there.
Yeah.
And, on the other side of this madness, we'll all have a big celebration.
Yeah. That's rain in the background, having a nice bark.